Western Ireland feeling the full force of Isha. These were some of the strongest winds for decades. Thousands left without power, buildings damaged, including this clock tower, while this car had a lucky escape. Trees blown over, luckily no one was in this car. Trains and planes cancelled, delayed or even diverted. This was Dublin Airport, where thousands of passengers were stranded. Likewise at Edinburgh Airport, where this suitcase took matters into its own hands. And this was why. Pilots using all their skill and nerve to land safely. Or not. This flight from Brussels aborting at the last second with one wheel on the ground. Many thousands watching the drama unfold on Big Jet TV.
Here we go, here we go. Come on, son, get it down. Get it down, get it down. Nice.
Since 2015, there have been up to 9 named storms each winter. Storm Isha is already the 9th, and the 10th, named Jocelyn, is forecast to hit the UK on Tuesday. And it's only January. Paul Hawkins, CGTN.